What was going through your mind in this moment?
I was probably thinking, I hope I don't get hit by that car. Because of the height of what you are when you're crawling, all of the exhaust is right in your face. You get kind of high, and the noise is different. Sound is very different when you're close to the ground.
Was Times Square crawl just down 42nd Street, or did you make any right angle
No,
turns?
it was straight. Yeah, I stopped when I encountered the policeman. I don't know if he's touching me yet, but his hand is very close. He's allowing himself to be close enough to me in a way that maybe if I was standing, he wouldn't. One of the hardest things was not judging it. Because people are constantly judging you when you do something like this. You're not supposed to do this. It's unhealthy, it's unsafe. To perform, you have to find power in being someone else. I would forget sometimes, mainly because, I had relatives who I knew at that time were on the street. I decided to do it to have a flower. That's part of the prop. And I had to figure out how do you keep a flower in one piece throughout a crawl? I think I didn't think I was working hard enough. I knew I wanted to speak to people who may know nothing about art, but they know what flowers are. And they know what crawling is. And they know, if you were watching me on that day, you would know, well, it's fucking hot. And in New York, the street bakes. There was this generational struggle in my family to not be self-destructive. I couldn't solve it, therefore I needed just to enter the problem, to try to animate the lack, if you will. Well, Superman was introduced to me by my Aunt Jenny. I say that if there were two main religious things in my Aunt Jenny's life, one was church and the other one was Superman. I thought she was like really backwards, but when I was thinking about her love for this white guy and her commitment to him, and it stayed with me even after I forgot about it. Somehow I landed on this next step of success. Instead of the suit, it would be the super suit.